Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Just left a gentleman who has a Chevy Cruze. I tell people to do a pre-purchase used car inspection for a complete legitimate reason. You got to make sure you be careful what you buy. He has a Chevy Cruze. His water outlet hose snapped in half, and then it was put back on. The water outlet in the middle of itself blew itself out, so he overheated twice. That he let me know. I don't know if it's overheated at any other times beyond that. But the point of my story is now he's stuck. He needs a thermostat, he needs a water pump, he needs the outlet. The car is leaking on the valve cover itself. He needs a variable timing. He had no oil in the car. The car was not taken care of, and he bought it. He didn't know any better. This is his first car, and I tell people this is the reason why it's extremely important that you do your due diligence. Call us to do pre-purchase inspections. We're in the 757 area. We'll come out and we'll assess the vehicle. We also look at the longevity. Chrome doesn't bring you home. So with that being said, I would have told him before 90 to 100,000 miles, walk away from the car, give it the deuces, trade it in, move forward. But he bought the car with a bunch of miles on it. He didn't know any better, and that's why I make these videos, to educate anybody, not to put anybody down. He did not know any better, and at the end of the day, that's why I'm making this video. So before you buy a car, please have a professional like ourselves to come look at the vehicle. If you do not have that services in your area, a mobile mechanic, just take it to a shop and pay them to do an inspection on the car before you buy it. This is a expensive endeavor that he's stuck in. He's making payments on pretty much that's just a pile of junk. It's already overheated, and he didn't understand overheating is just like damaging your body. You can die, brain damage, mess up your organs, and in his case, he's overheated the car. He's got a lot of stuff that's just damaged on the car, and he's going to spend a lot of money trying to get the car back the way it was, and he still owes a lot of money on it. And they oversold him too. These fees too, we know how to tell customers what are legitimate dealer fees too. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'm very sorry this happened to this gentleman. I have to educate the public as much as I can, because I see this almost every single week, and people are struggling and trying to do what they got to do. Thank you.